Among the masters of Renaissance Venice, Giorgione was a seminal figure of the transition to the high Renaissance in Venetian painting. His short but prolific career produced a number of works which showed the foundation of a new type of painting, one that focused on the natural world and the poetic expression of color and form, which ultimately produced works with evasive meanings. Giorgione, the bridge between the Venetian masters, is the subject of this Renaissance rush. Not much is known about Giorgione's early life. He was probably born in 1477 and he trained in Venice in the renowned workshop of Giovanni Bellini, one of the foremost leading artists of the time. Giorgione quickly developed a unique style that emphasized mood, atmosphere, and poetic subtlety, making him a pioneer in tonal painting. His works often blend landscapes with human figures, always focusing on the quality of mood that was groundbreaking in Italian painting. One of his most famous works, The Tempest, illustrates his innovative use of color and light with an enigmatic narrative that continues to puzzle art historians. There is no conclusion to the meaning of this painting. There is the tempest itself in the background, and the unclear relationship between the man and the nursing woman in the foreground. Art historians have diligently tried to produce interpretations ranging from deciphering allegorical meaning, linking the painting to known narratives, or even considering biblical interpretations. None are singularly convincing. What may have been Giorgione's last work, his Sleeping Venus, is something more legible to us, as it shows us the reclining goddess in a pastoral scene, whose body delicately emulates the detailed landscape, making a rhythmic unison between the female body and the rolling hills. Should we consider this work alongside Botticelli's Birth of Venus, we see a vastly different approach to naturalism and the centrality of the landscape itself. Giorgione has blended Botticelli's symbolic use of divine love with his own pictorial style, which stresses the natural environment, mood, and atmosphere. None other than the young Titian would actually finish this work, a known collaborator and possible follower of Giorgione's style. Giorgione's career was tragically short. He died during a plague outbreak in 1510, likely in his early 30s. Despite his brief life, his influence on Venetian painting was profound, especially on Titian, who became not only the foremost Venetian master, but the most sought-after painter in all of Europe in the 16th century. Today, many of Giorgione's work remain attributed or debated due to the scarcity of signed pieces and the collaborative nature of his studio. Giorgione's art bridges the transition from the Bellini workshop where he was trained to the modern style that Titian develops, emphasizing emotion and naturalism. Giorgione remains a symbol of artistic innovation and mystery in Renaissance art.
Thank you for tuning into Renaissance Rush. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments section, like and subscribe for more Italian Renaissance history.